Here we have AP calculus, AP problem. That is, we have to find the equations for the lines that are tangent or normal to the graph of the function y equals to sin x positive 3 at x equals to pi. Okay, first let's find the equation of the tangent line. Let me write the stuff over here. Equation of tangent line. Let me write it. Tangent line. So the formula to get the equation of tangent line is y negative y1 equals to m times x negative x1. So here x1 comma y1 represents a point at where we draw the tangent line to the curve y equals to sin x positive 3, and this m represents the slope of the line. So we have to find the point at where we are going to draw the tangent line to this curve. So for that we have to use the value of x over here, because the question says, so we have to find the equation of the tangent line at x equals to pi. So this pi is the value of this x1. Okay, to get the value of the y1 at the point, what we need to do is we have to plug in x equals to pi into the given function. So let me do it. Then y equals to sin pi positive 3. So y equals to, we know that the value of sin pi is 0, 0 positive 3, which is equal to 3. So now I got the value of y coordinate, the point where we are going to draw the tangent line. So already we know that x coordinate is pi, that is x1 is pi, and y1 is 3, just got it now. And now to get the slope of the tangent line, what I have to do is I have to find the derivative of the given function with respect to x. That is, I have to find dy over dx in the given function. So let me write the given function as it is, that is y equals to sin x positive 3. Now let me find derivative on both sides with respect to x. Then I'm getting dy over dx on the left side. When I find derivative of this sin x, I'm getting cosine x, and the derivative of this positive 3 is 0. Okay, now let's find the slope of the tangent line m. To get the slope of the tangent line m, so what I have to do is I have to plug in the given x value into the derivative dy over dx. Okay, let me do it. M equals to, so we know that dy over dx is cosine x. So in this cosine x, I have to plug in x equals to pi, because we find the equation of the tangent line at x equals to pi. So we have to find the slope at x equals to pi. Okay, now m equals to cosine pi, which is equal to -1, the value of cosine pi is. Okay, now I got the slope of the tangent line, that is -1. Okay, now what we need to do is we have to plug in the stuff. Let me write it. So here we have to plug in pi for x1 and 3 for y1 and -1 for m. So then we'll be getting the equation of the tangent line. Then I'm getting y negative. So for y1 we have 3 equals to the value of m is -1 times x negative. The value of x1 is just 5. Okay, now we got the equation of the tangent line, and if you want, you can write this equation in slope intercept form. Okay, let me write it in slope intercept form. Y negative 3 equals to, the negative one has to be distributed to this x and negative pi. When I do so, I'm getting negative x, positive pi. Okay, now let me add 3 to both sides. When I do so, negative 3 positive 3 will cancel. I'm getting y equals to negative x, positive pi, positive 3. So now I got the equation of the tangent line in slope intercept form. Okay, now let's find the equation of the normal line. For that, first let me write the formula. Equation of normal line. Let me write it. Okay, to find the equation of normal line, so I have to use the same formula. At the place of m, we have to make some changes. Let me do it. Y negative y1. Okay, to get the equation of the normal line, instead of m, what I have to do is I have to take reciprocal for this m. Then I'll be getting 1 over m, and also I have to take a negative sign over here. So x negative x1. Actually, this m represents the slope of the tangent line. To get the slope of the normal line, we have to take reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line along with the negative sign. Okay, already we know that x1 comma y1 is a point at where we draw the tangent line. We got the point already, that is pi comma 3, and m equals to -1. So now what I need to do is I just have to plug in everything over here. So let me do it. Y negative, so y1 is 3, -1 over m is -1, x negative x1 is pi. So this negative will cancel out. Then I'm getting y negative 3 equals to 1 times x negative pi is the same x negative pi. Okay, now so we can consider this one as an equation of normal line to the given graph. So if you want, you can write this one in slope intercept form. For that we have to add 3 to both sides. When I do so, this negative 3 positive 3 will cancel. I'm getting y equals to x negative pi positive 3. So this is the equation of the line that is normal to the given graph.